Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Glamour Has No Age and my name is Michelle. Today, this month has been a month of Natasha Denona. I have a lot of Natasha Denona that I haven't tried yet in my drawers. One of these being the Love palette. Yeah, I bought this back in 2020. I bought the Love palette and the Sunset palette. The reason I didn't buy them before is because I thought they were too editorial. I didn't think they would look good on me. But I had gotten such a good deal on both of them that I decided to pick them up. And this is what the colors look like. They look like that. And let's do something pink. I'm thinking about spring. I'm gonna use Intense right here, which is kind of a mauve-y pink. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Not bad. I'm gonna go into Valentine and kind of try to even out the edges. Blur them out more. Very pretty. Then I'm gonna take Soul, which is more of a mauve type color right here. Soul, which is more of a mauve type color, and put that in my outer V. Let's use that Lush Beauty again. I kind of like the gimmick of it. I'm gonna dip back into this Valentine color and kind of try to make it look better. That size looks good. It's the other side that I'm worried about. Alright. Let me get my shimmer brush. And we're going to do Giving as the shimmer right here. This one right here. Now I get the eye makeup done. Let's try this Face Glow palette. Now I've been trying to use a brush with these, but I went to Natasha Denona's Instagram and she uses a sponge. So that's what I'm gonna try today. Oh yeah, sponge is way better. I'm using Beauty Blender blush sponge, but you could just use your regular Beauty Blender. It's much better. Much better with a sponge. I'm gonna use Super Glow. Barbie pink. It is very editorial. It's not bad. I got way too much blush on. I have to play with this some more. You know? I just gotta play with it, I think. Try to create different looks out of it before I just say I don't like it. I like the pink. I think it makes my eyes pop. If you have this palette, let me know what you think about it down below, being a mature woman. Well, anyways, that's it for my video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Hit the like button above all means. It helps me be seen by other people. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.